I'm gonna pull your card, Nars. What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, back again with another video. Today, we are going to do a full review of the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. So if you're interested in seeing how this foundation performs, how it looks, is it flawless? Does it live up to its claims? Just keep on watching. Okay, so I know I'm late to the party. You ain't gotta tell me that. I already know. But I have been dying to get my hands on this foundation. Now, me personally, I have never used Nars foundation before on myself. I've used it on my clients before, but I never used it on myself. And it's because all those other foundations are just not good for oily skin. In my opinion, they just never seem to control the oil. In my opinion. Okay, so I was like really excited when they came out with the soft matte foundation, but every time I went to Sephora, they didn't have it. They didn't have it at my particular Sephora. And then they didn't, and then they weren't allowing you to swatch shades because of COVID. So it's like, I don't like buying foundation online. I need to know what my shade is. And we couldn't swatch. So I was like, okay, well, I'll just wait until maybe we could swatch again. So I ended up going to a Pro Sephora and they let you swatch at the Pro Sephora. Who knew? So just FYI, if you want to swatch stuff, go to the Pro Sephora. Anyway, so I got Marquises here, and let's just talk about the claims. This retails for $40 on the Nars' website. But this is a full coverage, natural looking matte foundation that resists shifting shades throughout the day due to oxidization. I just made that word up. Due to oxidation. And features comfortable 16-hour wear. Okay, so this is available in 34 shades. We're kind of used to this now. Ever since Fenty dropped and with her 40 shades, everybody want to have all these shades. We here for it. We love it. So they have 34 shades. For all skin tones, it says oxidation resistant, transfer proof, shine proof. I'm an oily girl, so we're going to test that, okay? I'm going to pull your card, Nars. So I got Marquises. So Marquises is a medium dark 5. It's for medium to dark It's for medium dark to dark skin. Medium dark to dark skin with golden undertones. So let's try it out. In the process of it, I'm gonna show y'all how to get like a really airbrushed look using full coverage foundation. So my typical foundation is a light to medium coverage. This is full coverage. That means we're gonna give you all the glam, all the perfection. I'm gonna show you how to make it look like magazine, front page. Who is she? Yeah, them vibes. I'm gonna show you. So first you want to get a translucent powder or a powder that's close to your skin tone. This is the Glam Galore Club powder, tinted powder in number 3. It's a loose powder. So what you first want to do is put on your primer. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I want to try some new primers. I feel like I always use Hydro Grip. It's good, don't get me wrong. It does what it needs to do, but why not venture out and try some more? I'm thinking I want to do a full face of NYX so I can try their marshmallow primer, but we'll see. We'll see. I ain't gonna promise y'all nothing I ain't gonna do. So anyways, with my beauty blender, I'm gonna dip into that loose powder and I'm just going to set my primer. If you have dry skin, I would skip this step because you don't want to further dehydrate your skin. You want to use a moisturizing primer if you have dry skin, and you want to make sure that you are taking moisturizing steps, okay? This is anti-moisture, okay? So don't do these. Don't listen to me on this part. Okay, so once you've applied your, what's that stuff called? Okay, so once you applied your powder, now you want to get into the foundation. So this is the Nars foundation. Is it upside down? Okay. This is what the applicator looks like. It comes out like a squeeze, you know, you squeeze and it drip, drop, drip. Yeah, it comes out like a squeeze bottle. I don't necessarily like this. I like pumps better because you can pump it on your face or pump it on your brush and kind of control where it go. But if I like drop this on my face, gravity gonna make it fall and it drip all over you. It's just a mess. Don't do that. Don't do it like that. So I'm just gonna drop it on the butt of my beauty blender. That was a lot. I didn't need to put that much. Oh, she nasty. We're just gonna start dabbing this into our skin. So like the site said, this is buildable. So you don't have to go in with this much foundation, honey. I could have did like a couple of drops and got away with it. But anyways, we're here now. So we're just gonna keep going, you know? The lights are really bright. I'm gonna turn them down a little bit. Okay, so let's get into the skin. Even without like setting it with anything, it's like flawless. I don't see my pores or anything like that. The foundation isn't clinging to certain spots on my face. It blended really easily. I like it. I like it. I like the way it looks. Okay, so now I'm going to do my concealer. When I wear full coverage foundations, I'll be wanting like a full beat. If I'm doing a full coverage foundation, I want to be super beat. So I'm going to use the even lighter concealer than I normally use. So this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's a satin finish. This is in the color Medium Sand. And I'm going to show you how I make this work because this is a very light color. So I'm just going to go underneath and dab just a little bit, not a lot, okay? And then I'm going to take my normal concealer, which is the Glam Galore Club's full coverage concealer in number 40. I'm going to go right underneath that. And the reason I do this is so it can have like a gradient effect. So it won't go from super light to my dark skin complexion. It'll go from light, medium, dark. Gradient. So with the corner part of my beauty blender, I'm going to start blending it out. I'm going to start with my chin because that's where the least amount of product is. And I want that concealer to kind of dry down underneath my eyes to give me maximum coverage. Okay, so it is all blended out. So now I'm going to set. So first I'm going to take a light powder, okay? This is Fenty Beauty's banana powder. It's light. And I'm going to press my beauty blender into that powder and go underneath wherever I concealed. And I'm going to sit with this light powder. Do not be afraid. It will get better. Trust me. This is one of them trust the process moments. Okay? Just trust your girl. I'm going to reverse contour, but I'm still going to do a contour. Okay, now I don't want that white powder to sit down here too long, so I'm going to go ahead and brush that away. And off my nose. Okay, now we're going to contour. So for contour, when I'm doing full coverage beats, I like to do a cream contour and then top it with a powder. So I'm going to use this color Espresso from from CoverGirl. This is the True Blend Undercover Concealer. This dries down really fast, so you have to work fast with this. So I'm just going to do one small swipe right there on my cheekbone and blend this out. And as you're blending down, you want to flick up as well to blend it into your concealer. We don't want any harsh lines. Everything needs to look married. And unintentional. Just like it fell into place. I feel like the grandma on Coco, Mami Imelda, that's how her cheekbones was. Girl, if you don't blend this out so you don't be looking like a skeleton. Nose contour, go all the way down the length of your nose, but then also blend it into your brow. the powder underneath that eye has sat for long enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to dust it away, but we're going to dust it away using a powder that is closer to our skin tone. The same powder that we used to set the primer. You don't want a lot of product on here, okay? So I'm tapping it off. And you're just going to sweep away that lighter powder. Then we're going to go in. So then we're going to go in and finish contouring. So like I said, I do a cream and then I go back over it with the powder. So I'm digging into this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, dark to deep. And I'm using the Sculpt shade. And I'm just going right over top. And then we're gonna take a powder foundation to set the entire face. I'm gonna dig into this, what's it called? It's the Maybelline Fit Me Powder Foundation in Mocha. And I'm just going to go over my entire face with this powder. And basically what that's doing is blending everything together so you don't have any harsh lines, but it's also giving you a little bit of color to kind of make everything mesh even better. So now what we're going to do is go in and we are going to bronze up the face. I know you like, girl, this too many steps. This is not an everyday face, honey. It's just not. So I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mommy bronzer and I am just bronzing up the cheeks. And basically where I place bronzer is just like right at the edge of where your contour is, like right at the top where it kind of meets your concealer. And you just flick up and it's just like warm. You're just warming up the face. I also like to go down the sides of my nose and over the bridge with that. Blush time. I'm using Toby out of the Juvia's Place foundation. It's an orange blush. I think orange blush looks really good on deeper skin tones. So it's kind of like my everyday blush. And I just brush this back into my cheekbones. Just go back. Okay, now at this point, I feel like I'm giving you everything that you need, but you're like, we just need more. Like, we're just not satisfied. Like, it's not enough. You didn't put enough things in your face. You're right. I need to add some glow. So we're going to go in with Lila. This is a gold, bronze, whatever shimmery color out of the Juvia's Place the Hair and Blush Palette, Volume 1. And at the high points of your cheekbones, you want to add this Immaculate Glow. I'm sorry for dripping, but drip is what I do. I really don't be trying to drip this hard, y'all. So this is the completed face. She looks flawless. She's giving you airbrush. She's giving you perfection. She's giving you magazine cover. Like, I'm telling you, I'm sorry. I don't know why I drip so hard. Okay, I'm just playing. But so since they say this is a 16-hour wear, I'm going to test that claim. I don't wear makeup for 16 hours, so I could care less if it's 16 hours, but I will see how it goes for the rest of the day. So right now it's 3:15. I got some things to do. I have to go places, run errands, da-da-da-da-da. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in around 10 o'clock and show y'all what she looking like. Obviously, I will have to wear a mask if I'm going out into the world. So we'll see how she hold up underneath the mask. I'll be back in a few hours. Okay, I'm back. It is, let me see. It's 10:57 and I think it was like 4 o'clock when I recorded this. It's like 7 hours. I think that's a good wear test. So I haven't blotted or anything like that. The oil you see right here is from my glasses sitting down on my face. Other than that, I think it held up pretty well. I had already snatched my lashes off, y'all. I told y'all I do not like lashes. I'm tired. I don't like lashes. So I took them lashes off immediately after I filmed the video. But I'm just gonna go ahead and fix this little situation right here where my glasses were. But yeah, I think it held up. So I'm still very matte everywhere else. The shine that you see on my forehead right here is because I had highlighted there. The shine you see here is highlighted. The shine you see here is highlighted. But all the places that I did not highlight, I'm still matte. I'm happy with it. So, okay, girl. Nars, girl. I clocked you and you was clocked. So bad you did your thing, girl. I'm gonna go get ugly. Take my makeup off. Take my wig off. Keep on watching for the outro. Know what I'm talking about. So I hope you guys like the look. Comment down below and let me know if you've tried this Nars Soft Matte Foundation yet. If you have, what's your shade and do you like it? Also, I really appreciate it if you head on over to my Instagram page. The link will be in the description box. And follow me there. And make sure that you like this video. Comment down below like I just told you to do. I gave you the instructions. Just do it. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified the next time I upload. Because if you don't hit the bell notification, you won't be notified the next time I upload. And if you're not notified the next time I upload, you have to search my name, and that's Brushwork by Suzie Bougie. And that's a lot of words, and I just be trying to help you. Help me help you find me easier. Okay, thank you. Bye.